Okay, on 14b, number 10, we are given two equations, 2x plus 3y equals 29, and 5x minus y equals 30. The directions say use the substitution method to solve the equations. First, change the second equation to the slope-intercept form. Okay, so this one we're going to change to slope-intercept form. So this one right here, 5x minus y equals 30. So to change that, we need the y all by itself. So we're going to subtract 5x on both sides. We'll have negative y equals negative 5x plus 30. Now remember that the y has to be all by itself and positive. So we can multiply everything in the equation by negative 1. So negative 1 times negative y is a positive y. Negative 1 times negative 5x is a positive 5x. And negative 1 times 30 is a minus 30. So now this is in slope-intercept form. And then we're going to take this equation and we have to use substitution. So in class, we did all of our substitutions where both of them were in slope-intercept form, but now we can do it a little differently. So let me do some different colors. This is y, right? And this right here is y. So I can substitute all of this in for this y. So I can say that 2x plus 3 times everything that's y over here, 5x minus 30 is equal to 29. So the first thing I need to do is this parentheses. Now I can't subtract in here, but I have something multiplied, so I need to do that first. So 2x plus 15x minus 3 times 30. Don't forget to distribute this to both of them. So 3 times negative 30 is negative 90, equal to 29. We're getting some big ugly numbers here. Okay, so 2x plus 15x is 17x minus 90 equal to 29. I'm going to add 90 to both sides, and I get 17x is equal to 119. Now to get x, I want to divide by 17, and I get x is equal to 119 divided by 17 is a good whole number of 7. So I have part of my answer, but the final answer needs to be a point. So it needs to have an x and a y. I can put in the x, it's 7, but I need to know what my y is. I can do that by plugging in 7 to either equation. It won't matter, but I have to go back to those original equations. So this one's a little easier since it already has y by itself, so I'm going to choose that top one. So y is equal to 5 times x, and I know that x is 7, so 5 times 7 minus 30. 5 times 7 is 35. So 35 minus 30 is just y equals 5. So now I know my y, and I can put that in right here. And so this is my solution. Remember that if you were to draw the equations on here, we would get the point of intersection would actually be a point. So it would be this point right here. It'd be the point 7, 5. Okay, I think that one kind of covers everything that might be in section 14 or lesson 14. So if you have any more questions, feel free to send them to me, and then I will make another short little video and answer them. Hope you guys are doing well and had a good break week, and I will see you on Monday.